Hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am making a centerpiece. I'm making centerpieces. Can you see me? I'll bend down. And you can do these. Welcome to Vlogtober, first of all. These are things you can do ahead of time. So when Thanksgiving comes, you already can just start putting your table together. You don't have to do every step all at the same time. Let me get this. So today I'm going to use my dough bowl. Let's see, this is one of my smaller ones. I'm going to use that. I have these two maple leaf picks. Make sure you fluff them out. Fluff them out. I have these. These are called, these are like pampas grass picks. Mixed pampas grass. So I'm using two of these. This is stuff that was easy for me to get to. I didn't want to go rambling through a whole lot of decor, totes, and so I like things pretty neutral around this time of year. So you just take your little picks, and we're going to work this out together. Hopefully it all blends together. I have these like battery operated candles here. Got two. These the same size. Where's my other one? I had one. Just a minute. I knew something was off with that. Okay, so these are the same size. And then you can turn these on and off by remote control. So that, creates a good vibe at night. And then I have this tabletop decor. I got two of these. You will see this on another centerpiece. And yeah, so I'm going to start with the maple leaves. Make a bed of leaves. I'm going to add that. Let's see. Where's my other one? Oh. Okay, so we're going to make a bed of leaves. All right, I'm going to come around. I like that. Okay, so then this is our focal point. Put that right in the center. We're going to keep it sitting. All I need, you need your filler. I consider this my thriller, my filler. These aren't going to spill out, but I'm going to put the candles on here. And that's all you need to do. Just lay that bed of leaves and that pampas picks. Put your focal point in the center and then accessorize it with some candles. All right, that's all we need to do. All right. Isn't that pretty? So these are things you can do in October. And you can keep it out or just already have it made up. So if you, when you're entertaining, you can add some easy decor. Easy breezy. here's the back. It's pretty much the same. I just put the remote back here in the back so I can remember to turn it on. I need to put batteries in each of these. All right, guys. These are things we can do ahead of time. So the focal point, like during Thanksgiving, will be just cooking dinner. So all the decor is done. All right, guys. It's getting hot in here. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. And if this gave you some inspiration or information, hit that like button. I appreciate it. And so that's what we're going to be doing. Vlogtober. Each day we're going to do something to, get our house together, get the garden together, just do a task each day that will add some fall touches and just take the load off so you won't be going crazy trying to do everything all at the same time. All right, guys, we got 30 days. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.